So let us start off our discussion by talking about the major hardware components of an IoT network. In the Internet of Things, hardware comes in many forms. At the heart of any wired venture is the IoT hardware, and the technical capabilities of these boards and hardware have only become more important as IoT has flourished and developed over the years. Now, wireless sensor nodes, that is a concept which comprises of three major hardware components. They are microcontrollers, sensors, and other IoT hardware. Now, what is a microcontroller? A microcontroller is a device in a single integrated circuit devoted to executing a single task and running a single application at a time. This contains programmable peripherals, memory units, and a CPU, that is the central processing unit. Microcontrollers are designed to primarily to achieve embedded applications and are widely used in remotely operated electronic devices such as mobile phones, washing machines, microwaves, and cameras. Now, in general, microcontrollers have a central processing unit, random access memory, that is RAM, read only memory, that is ROM, input output ports, IO ports, timers and counters, and serial IO. Now, the different components of a microcontroller have different importance, have different kind of application. And instead of going into the theoretical details of by defining each and every component, we'll look into these different components as and when we use them so that we get a better understanding and how do we use them in the practical world.